Hello everyone, welcome back to Bite Size Forensics. Today I'd like to continue to talk about being creative with your collector. Now what I mean by that is all collectors are going to have a standard set of artifacts that they collect. These are artifacts that we know are useful in just about every investigation. Collecting log files, collecting memory, on a Windows machine, collecting the registry or event viewer logs, things like this. But there are certain things that fall outside of what we typically think of as an artifact. And in particular, today I'd like to talk about doing a packet capture. So on Linux machines and Mac OS machines, TCPDump is native to those machines. But also on Windows machines, we have a native utility called PKTMon that has several command line options to define what data and how long we want to collect for. So if we think in terms of creating these type of artifacts, I'm going to use AquireX as an example. I can create a script in AquireX that says, if I'm running on Windows, run PKTMon. If I'm running on Mac OS, run TCPDump. And I can collect that data into a file and then upload that data to, say, an S3 bucket or an SFTP server. So this would be useful in a case where, let's say every time there's an alert, you want to start a packet capture on an endpoint and see what the endpoint is communicating. This thinks outside of the standard sets of artifacts that come native with a collector and gets more into being creative about creating your own artifacts that provide data that you need given the needs of a specific investigation. So I hope this video has been helpful for you to think of artifacts outside of the standard artifacts that are provided and begin to think about creating your own artifacts. Thanks.